For centuries, individuals and companies have been collecting fine art for its emotional, intellectual, cultural, political, and economic value. Most recently, it is not rare to find newspaper headlines across the world shocked by auction records and artistic eccentricity. Remember that $450 million Leonardo? Or that banana duct taped to a wall selling for $120,000? But beyond this extravaganza, a $1.7 trillion marketplace arises where savvy investors can enjoy the intrinsic advantages of art as an asset, such as asset protection, long-term wealth preservation, portfolio diversification, low correlation with equities, portability, and other hedging possibilities. Art has a very low cost of maintenance, trades in a global market, and the relative illiquidity provides for certain financial antifragility, market arbitrage, and high investment returns, in addition to art's aesthetic and emotional qualities that enrich and improve the quality of life while creating a legacy. We have much more information about art funds, Artamundi, and the benefits and risks of art as an investment asset in www.artamundi.com. Or do not hesitate to contact Eva Rees, our head of global subscriptions, or Bingna Fenninger, chair of our Management Advisory Council.